Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add live wallpaper on Windows 11 lock screen. This is a step-by-step tutorial that's going to walk you through all you need to do to set this. Now guys, all you have to do once you're inside Windows 11 is a simple right click on your Windows icon, and the first thing I want to recommend that you do is go to your settings. Now within settings, I want to recommend that you check your system first because you want to see the version of Windows that you have. So go ahead and go down to About, and you want to check the version of Windows you have. If you're running Windows 25H2, congratulations, this is super easy to do for you. But if not, then I'm going to show you ways how you can set live wallpaper on your current version of Windows. But what I recommend you to do is simply go ahead and go to your Windows update and check for updates to see if you have the latest version of Windows available. It's going to check for you. You can also turn on this feature that says get the latest updates as soon as they're available. But do check for updates to see if Windows is going to roll out the latest version of 25H2 to you so that you can download and install that on your PC. Because if you do have that on your PC, guys, then all you have to do is go to personalization, then scroll down and go to lock screen. Then you want to go ahead and choose where it says image and ensure that pictures are selected rather, and go ahead and click on browse and select a video file on your computer because the new version of 25H2 allows you to set videos as your wallpaper, which is your wallpaper background right here, and it also applies for the lock screen as well. So this is if you're currently running the 25H2. If you're not running the version of 25H2 and you are still running 24H2 Windows 11, then the options that you have at the moment is to quickly switch from picture to, for example, Windows Spotlight, which simply means that Windows is going to change those images for you on your computer. So you'll realize from time to time on the lock screen, you will see different pictures appear on Windows. So that's gonna make it somehow feel alive for you that you have some live wallpaper change in there. Another way is for you to quickly change this to, for example, slideshow. And if you switch this to slideshow, then you can go ahead and browse, for example, a folder with images on your computer, and you can select that folder as your, and you can select that folder with images. And once you select the folder as images, you will be able to use that folder as your live wallpaper. And you can see right here that I've had a picture folder selected. So what's going to happen is that it will change those pictures for me on my computer, right? Because I have that folder selected. Now, alternatively, a cool tip that you can also use for your lock screen is if you have a video, you can easily go ahead and go to Google and type in, for example, videos to GIF. So let me go ahead and show you an option. You can simply open up your browser and say video to GIF converter, for example, video to GIF converter, and you'll find some free options. One option that you can use is freeconverter.com, which allows you to quickly upload a video file and it's going to convert it to GIF. Alternatively, you can use Canva as well. So if you have a Canva account, you can either use a video from within Canva and just change that to a GIF. And I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So here I have Canva on my computer in a different window. And let's say this is my video. Right here, I can simply go to share and go to downloads and just ensure that I switch the type to GIF, for example. So you want to choose select GIF and go ahead and ensure that the correct page is selected. If you have multiple, select the correct one, hit download, take maybe 2 to 3 minutes or so, to depending on the size. It's going to download that for you. And once you have that in Canva with the video actually download as a GIF, then you can go back and you can switch this to pictures nevertheless, and then you can just browse for that GIF picture. So you'd go to your downloads and you can see this. For example, I have it downloaded as a GIF right here. You can see the file is a GIF, and I can just select this as the GIF and I can just open that on my PC, and that's going to allow it to load. So you can try these different options, guys, so that you can quickly go ahead and add live wallpaper on your Windows 11 lock screen. I really hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.